Here's a little surprise from a subscriber. Dear Renoa, I've been enjoying your videos for some time now. As a small token of my appreciation for them, I am sending you these tools to help you with your workshop build. Sincerely, Patrick. YouTube, Magnavox Man. I want to say thank you right off the bat. Thank you, because I am so fucking sick and tired of like this 12-year-old drill. I do feel bad because it's like a $240 drill kit. We got a power drill with a big battery, 2 things of bits, a small battery, and an impact driver. Yeah, this thing is just, I am just so over this thing, because this one has nickel cadmium batteries and got it back in the 2000s with this. So much better. So much better. I am not used to getting expensive gifts, and I feel kind of bad, but boy could I use it. So thank you very much, and I will definitely put it to a lot of good use. And that drill is definitely going to get a lot of use today, because we're going to be putting up about 60 of these cross pieces to help hopefully hold this building together, because right now it's still kind of just posts loosely hooked together at the top. So I've started taking trips to the storage unit and getting all these boards. Now these are more like 10 or 11 feet, but it's been tedious because I've been having to get them home single-handedly, like one at a time on my bike, and it's just getting, I'm having to hold it, and it's, I can't do all 60 of them that way. So I've already used the power drill, my new fancy new power drill, to extend my trailer, to make a lumber trailer. Just you know, just add a 2x4, little bracket to hold the rope, a little bit on there. That rope can go through here on my bike. Handles really well, actually, very well. Are you fucking kidding me? Motherfucker. Oh shit, that's it. Look at that. It's like it's made of pure resin. So I've been thinking about it, and I think that where I left off, which was just arbitrary, I just, like, the light was dimming, so I finished up. But I think that might be a good place to end the video. Oh, and also, it occurred to me, this spot right here where I didn't put a board, initially I didn't put a board there because it would be so close that it might not even matter. But then it occurred to me, that'd be a good place to put a window. So I'll leave that open for now, and maybe put like I'll see if I can find a window and put a frame in there, and then I like use up the extra bits. But yeah, so I think right now I'm gonna call it done for this section, like the horizontal pieces, and then I'm gonna work on the trusses, and then whatever pieces I have left over, I will use. I'll put them where I can put them, and then I can just buy some lumber to be left over. But I'm thinking I might not actually need to do too much, because I might not need to buy too much, because it looks like I might actually have enough lumber to finish this thing. So when me and my father were going through the storage unit to bring wood here, I realized that I actually have a couple 12-footers, like 2 or 3, that are still full of nails, and I need to de-nail them. So I'm probably going to spend a week going through, organizing, cleaning up all the lumber, and taking apart those shelves that I made, because each one of those shelves has like 2 or 3 12-footers in it, and a bunch of 8-footers and a bunch of 10-footers. So I can dismantle those shelves, make up some more room, and get some more lumber, probably enough to really finish this up. And I should end up probably with like a couple extra, like maybe 10 or so, 10 or 12-footers, and so I can pick the best ones. The best 8 will go towards the trusses, and then the other ones, whatever's left, or I'm not going to just go with whatever the best ones are. Like if only 6 of them are really good enough, well then I'll buy 2 brand new ones, and all the other 6 will just go towards the smaller stuff that won't be so important. And then, so yeah, the storage units will probably start getting cleaned up quite a bit, and I have that old wooden door that I'll have to see if I really want to fix that or not. I'm not really sure, because I would like to have a door over there, but that can be something added in the future. So I'd like to get this thing all sealed up, and then we can, just having the front doors would be good enough. Now unfortunately for the front doors, see, I was hoping to have enough of this old growth lumber left over, and then I can make like a nice heavy front door, or doors, 2 of them. But it looks like I probably won't have enough of this wood left over, so I'll probably just make a door out of like yellow pine, something like that. And I mean, I'm happy with this. I'm really happy with this, and I think now I should probably go spend some time at the storage unit, denailing some more lumber, disassembling those shelves, so I can know for sure like what other lumber I have. And I think I might have spotted a couple more dumpsters in the area that might have some windows and 2x4s, so I might see about scrounging some more. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. I'm not sure if I mentioned it. It's kind of, again, not one of those days for presenting for some reason. This way the building is really difficult to get going, and it doesn't really resonate that much. So it seems like these boards really did solve the vibration in that direction. However, I can kind of get it swaying if I go this way, the narrow way. But I think that adding the trusses and the cross brace things with the trusses and all that will definitely help with this direction too. So now we have vertical, at least on this part, that is all kind of steady. We have that way that is steady. It's just the narrow way that is still a bit wobbly, and that's just because those 2 poles over there wobble, at least I think. I don't know, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.